Hello, my name is Altnur Simic. I am presenting my internship report on backend development at our Bank. The internship period was from March 9 to May 2, 2026. My program is computer science. First, I will show you the presentation, then the detailed report. Introduction. The goal of the internship was to gain hands-on experience in backend development within a corporate IT environment. The main focus areas were designing REST APIs, working with relational database, and creating small automation tools. About our photo bank, our photo bank is a major bank in Kazakhstan. I completed my internship at the IT department of the Kivas branch. The department is responsible for CRM development, transaction processing, and the internal automation tools. Technologies used include Java Spring Boot, Python Flag, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Role and responsibilities. My position was intern junior backend developer. My tasks include API development, SQLite database decision, creating a Telegram bot, and the code documentation. My supervisor was Shader Vainur Jomanna. Tech stack, Python, SQLite, Flag, Java, Git, Telegram bot, API. Bank clean system. The first project completed in week 3 is a client management system using Python and SQLite. Features include adding, viewing, and deleting clients, updating account balance, and viewing transaction history per client. Experience tracker web app. The second project completed in week 4 is a web application using Flag and SQLite. It allows users to add and view expense, calculate the total spending, and apply basic filtering. The interface is responsive and minimal. Min chatbot, the third project completed in week 5 is a mini chatbot for client support. It answers frequently asked questions, those conversation works in SQLite, and provides SAPA for interaction. I used conversation handler with 16-second timeout to manage dialog states. Then Java expense tracker. The fourth project completed in week 6 is a console-based expense tracker in Java. The menu has 4 options: add the expense, show all expense, show total, and exit. The code is structured into 3 classes: main, expense, and expense manager. Java requires about 120 lines of code. View Python requires about 16 Java catches errors at compile time, which is a key learning point. Challenge solutions. I face a similar challenge. First skill, like database looking when boots the bot and the web app tried to write simultaneously. I got database is working errors. I solved this with short alt connections that rise up to 5 times, which relies and moving heavy operations to background tasks. Second, put state management when use interpret the dialog. The bot was context. I implemented a state machine per user with explicit states and a 16-second timeout to reset inactive conversation. Third, invalid user input. users entered negative amounts or empty categories, I added validation in Python and I check constraint in SQLite for wire protection. Then what I learned next steps. Mm, I learned about backend architecture, database decision, debugging concurrence issues, and using Git with code. And code reviews. My recommendations for future improvement are migrate to PostgreSQL, add in unit and the integration tests, and the TCV export functionality and document the architecture. I thank my supervisor Ainur Jomanova and our mentors at our fourth bank as for, for their support. Uh, and thank you for your attention. Now I will move to the detailed report. And then, this is my report. Now the detailed report. The intent was carried out. Our for the bank, the main goal was to gain practical experience in backend database management and API integration, focusing on small-scale internal automation tools. Then, which company description, my dispatch responsibilities, the Equibus branch IT department has about 15 to 20 employees organized um, um, organized into 4 teams: backend development, uh, uh, database administration, system support, and IT operations. My position was junior backend developer. Intern my responsibilities include automation tools, REST APIs, SQLite, database, a Telegram bot, and code documentation. My supervisors was Shadyarova Anur Romanna, the GitHub repository. Link is in the report. Then uh, this is my uh, GitHub link GitHub um, project one clean system using Python and SQLite. Features added the update the client's balance management and transaction history project. Project to expense and tracker web app using FAQ and SQLite. Features added the expense view or expenses, calculate total spending, simple web interface. Then project 3, um, Telegram bot using Python. Uh, Telegram bot library features added the experience via chat, show balance commands, start and show data stored in SQLite. Then project 4, Java expense tracker on console-based application. Main menu has 4 options: code structures, my Java, expense manage Java. The expense class has private fields with getters. The after the expense method validates that the amount is positive. Uh, then Java is Python comparison. Um, Compatible Java use array list with generics, compare time, checking state typing about 120 lines of code. Python use a list of I'm sorry, limit my limit uh, 10 minutes. Uh, um, uh, Java Python comparison table Java use a released with um, Java is Python comparison table Java used are released with Genius compiler time checking static typing about 120 lines of code. Python uses a list of dictionaries time checking dynamic typing about 16 lines of code. Key learning Java catches error, but Python is faster was prototypes. Um, 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 Technical details architecture. Technology choice skill white is white with no zero setup. Fab is minimal and flexible. Python, Telegram bot is official. Um, the official regular Java was chosen to practice of database schema. Experience label with category amount. Then uh, and the index of category. The report includes a code snipe for adding an expense with validation. Then mm, change and the solution. Change one SQLite looking solution that the mechanism with device separating read and write operations. Challenge to both state management solution conversation handler with 16-second timeout. Challenge free invalid input solution validation in Python plus check consent in SQLite. Um, Reflection and conclusion. Reflection conclusion. Then what I changed in my understanding error handling and validation take more time than business logic. Concurrence uses appear even is in small projects. Choosing the right to depends on scale, not popularity. Skills accurate Telegram board, API SQL decision repository pattern debugging assets. Callback Java open my contribution to the company working both type Python in Java compilation for future decision and document it code in on GitHub as a training resource. Um, uh, Conclusion. Then a conclusion reference. The internship was successful completed. Our planned tasks were finished. The company's reference letter is positive with a recommendation uh, grade of 100 out of 100. Thank you for your attention. The report is complete. Then my characteristics and the calendar column. Thank you.